Hi everyone, this is Mr. Noop. Today I will show you one website using which you can find solution to remove various kinds of stains. So you might have different kinds of stains in your dress and different fabrics. So you might not know how exactly to remove this. And there are different ways to remove different stains. So let's start with, I will give you a couple of example. So if it is blood stain, how will you remove it from your washable fabrics, from carpet, from upholstery? So it will show you this, what all things you will need. And it will show you the steps. Scrub out the excess material, soak for like 15 minutes of mixture with lukewarm water. 1 teaspoon liquid hand washing detergent and 1 tablespoon of ammonia you can add. Rub gently to loosen the stain. Soak for another 15 minutes in the above mixture. Soak protein stain in enzyme product for at least 30 minutes. Soak aged stains for several hours and then launder. If color stain remains, launder using chlorine bleach if safe for fabric or with oxygen bleach. So this is for blood and this is different for different materials. Now if I go back, now here we have different kinds of stain. So let me put coffee, which is a common stain, coffee with cream. So here it says pre-treatment laundry stain remover, heavy duty liquid detergent, chlorine bleach or oxygen bleach, dry cleaning solvent, absorbent, paper towels. So it describes the various process for different materials. So let me look at for washable fabrics. Saturate area with pre-treatment laundry stain remover. Wait 1 minute for product to penetrate the stain. For stubborn stain, rub with heavy duty liquid detergent, then launder immediately. If color stain remains, soak or wash in chlorine bleach if safe for fabric or in oxygen bleach. For extra heavy stains, apply dry cleaning solvent to back of the stain over absorbent paper towels. Let it dry, rinse it, proceed as above. So this is an useful website that gives you different types of stain removal, with, which is useful for you. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.